This is a Leaving Cert higher level trigonometric video evaluating compound angles. So we want to find the value of A and B given that tan A is 1 over 4. We could draw a triangle to represent this. The opposite is 1 and the adjacent is 4. Using Pythagoras, we could see that the other side is going to be, the hypotenuse is root 17. And also we could draw a triangle with angle B in it, given that the opposite is 3 and the adjacent is 5. That's the ratio. So using Pythagoras on this one, we see that the hypotenuse is the square root of 34. Now, I didn't have to do it for this question because it turns out actually the formula is not going to use sine or cos, it's only using tan, because we see there's a formula for tan A plus tan B, so that it would be fine to use that formula, for instance. But if you had other trigonometric ratios, it wouldn't make a difference. So it's worth showing you that. So the formula we're going to use is that the tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. So we have fractions for tan A and tan B, and we put these into the formula. Now we could take this big fraction, evaluate in the calculator. We see that 1 is what we have. So tan A plus tan B is 1. Therefore, A plus B must be tan inverse of 1. And we might recognize tan inverse of 1, that tan inverse of 1 is 45 degrees. Or at least this is one of the answers. So 40, it's not particular in this question between what range A and B is, because actually there is an infinite number of numbers we could put into the calculator that would tell us that the tan of this angle would be 1. So one of the answers is 45 degrees. But we could also see that tan is positive in the third quadrant. And so we could see that 225 degrees would also give us this answer. And every time we would rotate around the circle or add 180 degrees to any one of these, we'd also land in an angle that would, the tan of this angle would be 1. So we could have 405, or add 180 again, we get 585. And so there's an infinite number of answers. And thank you for watching this video.